You just found the 2022 Toyota Highlander. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sleek and sporty Toyota Highlander your family will love. From its safety and driver assistance tech to its multiple climate control zones and infotainment system, this smooth-riding, quiet, roomy 3-row crossover offers the capability and creature comforts to help you make the most of every road trip. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry. You deserve a family vehicle that knows how to multitask. Take this versatile Highlander out for a spin and let our professional staff show you our commitment to outstanding customer service. We look forward to meeting you.